Hey, it's Cully with Pacific Composting, and I just wanted to go over a few tips for using our hemp mats for grow medium with microgreens. Step 1, cutting your mats to size. For example, if you use one of our 22 by 22 mats, you would cut it in half for a standard 10 by 22 tray. Word of caution, this will dull scissors, so if you're going to be doing a lot of these or doing this often, you may want to get an electric cutter, something similar to this. Step 2, pre-soaking your seeds. Please follow package recommendations for this. Most seeds soak for between 8 and 24 hours. Smaller seeds like broccoli or radish don't require a pre-soak. Step 3, pre-soaking your hemp mats. I like to stack them in the trays that you're going to use to help keep them submerged, and I would do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once you've emptied the trays, you would then sprinkle your seeds or spread your seeds evenly across the hemp mat. Step 4, stacking your trays. You can stack these up to 4 or 5 high with a final empty tray on top. In that tray, you will place a weight to help the seeds take root. Step 5, after about 4 days, or as per seed instructions, you'll notice that the microgreens are pushing up the trays and the weight. This is when it's time to uncover them and place them either in a window or under a source of light. Step 6, water as needed. This is usually once or twice a day for most microgreens, depending where you live and how arid it is. We recommend watering from the bottom, with the exception of sunflower seeds, which you will either want to mist or water from the top to help loosen the hulls as they grow.